Good morning.
Hello, guys.
Today is January 6.
Yeah, I didn't go to school.
Why?
I had a very hurt headache.
Bad headache.
Yeah.
Last night, sumuka siya kagabi, guys, bago matulog. Why?
It's because I eat too much.
You eat too much.
And phone.
And maybe?
Phone.
And phone. That's why?
No.
No phone for 1 week.
How much days is 1 week?
7 days.
What?
Yeah. So, hindi rin ako pumasok, guys.
That means PS5 is not phone. It's just controller.
Yeah.
Yay! Then I can play Roblox.
Okay. So, just play the PS5. No phone, no gadget. Okay?
PS5 is more better.
Yeah.
It's because there's a big screen.
Oh, yeah. So, dito pa kami sa bed, guys. Kagigising lang namin, pero time check is
Mom,
11 na,
when
yes.
we're gonna go to the doctor, could we go to Sunridge?
Why?
I want to go to the arcade.
Oh, mommy is sick. I'm
But
not feeling well.
Then why did we went
Where?
to the doctor? If we're gonna go to the doctor, please.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, ano din ako, guys, di pumasok kasi masama rin yung pakiramdam ko since last week. Kinaya ko lang tapusin yung 1 week ko na shift. Tinapos ko yung trabaho for 1 week. And then nag-rest ako weekend, guys. So ngayong Monday, nag-call sick ako kasi hindi ko talaga kaya na. Wala akong lagnat, wala akong ubo-sipon. Sobrang sakit ng buong katawan ko na para akong walang
Go
lakas.
to Sunridge. Sunridge.
No, I can't.
I wanna
Parang wala akong lakas na kapag tumayo ako, para akong matutumba yung mga tuhod ko. Sobrang sakit yung mga joints ko, guys. Yung muscle ko, from head to foot. Talaga, literal. Literal from head to foot, masakit. Sa talampakan, yung mga dito ko. Masakit kahit tumawak ng tubig, masakit. So, nag-antibiotic ako, nagta-Tylenol. Pag nag-take ako ng Tylenol, few hours, feel better. Tapos babalik. So, today is mag-walk-in ako sa doktor.
No.
So, mag-request ako ng Bloodworks.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're home.
Ako live.
Bahay na kami, guys, from the doctor. So, tinas yung urine ko, nag-COVID test din ako, negative. So,
Dad, look what I got.
binili niya yung toys niya yan dun sa shop. I got a new toy.
We have to charge it. We have to charge it.
Later. Daddy knows that.
No, it's very small.
Yeah, Dad knows that. Yeah, Daddy has.
Oh.
You're so kulit.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. I'm so collect.
So, galing kaming doctor. Tinest ako ng COVID. Negative. Nag-urinalysis test din ako.
Guys, imagine this when it's laying, it started to fly by itself. That would be scary.
Yeah. So, clear naman daw yung ihi ko. Pero there's more test na gagawin. Binigyan ako ng requisition ng doktor. So, gagawin ko yun bukas. So, kung clear naman daw yung urine ko and other test, baka flu lang daw. Kasi nanghihina talaga ako at madali ako mapagod. At nagme-merienda ako ni Sayon ng chips. Nagsaing na rin ako at meron din ako magluto ng dinner. Kasi si Daddy nagluto kahapon ng beef steak.
Look,
Look, ang daming beef steak.
that's a lot. I ate
Yeah.
it for my breakfast.
So this is our dinner tonight.
I wanna eat.
Later. Too
And
much
that was-
eating. Gonna suka agad.
And this was for my breakfast.
Sayon got a new friend.
He's not moving anymore.
Sayon got a new friend. What his name?
Goofy Ducky.
Goofy Ducky.
He's not moving.
Because it's not fully charged yet.
It is. Why is it green?
No. When it's green, you have to leave like an hour again. Even though if it is green, Just leave it.
Girl, no, I'm not.
Ha?
Guys, do you want this for free? It's very cool.
O, sige nga.
Hindi, ate, pero niya.
That scared me. All the memories, remember? When I grow
What
up.
did you say?
When
You're
I
gonna
grow
vlog?
Yeah,
Because, bring
Because-
back.
all the memories.
You sing it. Bring back all the memories. Bring back.
I don't. Wait, where's the sound?
Inuutusan niya ako mag-vlog para daw may memories kami.
Wait, first, where's your phone? Then I'll show you.
This is my phone.
No, the pink one.
So, Ate Lay is at home, Baby Zion, and Daddy is wala pa, umalis sila.
Why?
May binili.
Where?
Ha?
Where?
Somewhere down the road.
Wait, guys, come. Look. Look what I got. It's a fidget.
A fidget.
It's like, look, it's like a gaming. It's like buttons. Then here it's gears. Then this is for your finger. This is look. And this, look. Like switch this. Look. These are for your fingers.
Okay. Ate Lay, ay, burnt na. Ano to, beef?
That's beef bulgogi.
Ah, okay. Sa ate, nagluluto ng beef bulgogi. Yan yung walang bone, di ba?
Yeah, that's just beef.
Masarap.
Parang
Yan yung
I should
dinner
cook
namin.
more.
I wanna try.
Akala ko chicken.
No, the chicken.
Tira
takes
pa
so
namin
long.
yan yung New Year. Kasi nag-ano lang kami.
So, the
Samgyeopsal.
Ay, bastos ka.
And meron nakasalang dito sa maliit na oven. Ayan, oh.
Bring back all the memories. Mom, remember what I always say? Mom,
Pwede.
remember what I always say?
Mhm.
I don't wanna grow up.
I know.
Yeah, because I gonna miss being young.
I know.
Young is very nice
I know.
because you'll be the loved one.
The favorite one?
Yeah, but the middle is forgotten one.
Oh.
It is.
Dami mong alam. Wala mang middle. Who's the middle child? Nothing. At least the first and you're the last. That's it. That's why I got only 2 kids. So, no middle child.
What about Dabong?
Dabong is my brother.
Oh, that means then Dabong is my uncle.
Yes.
Then
That's why you called him Daddy Bong.
No, I call him Dabong.
Short for Daddy Bong.
Yeah.
Pumunta pala kami guys ng IKEA. Bumili kami nito
It's my
na
favorite.
oatmeal biscuit. Masarap. Hindi siya maggaanong matamis. Masarap sa coffee.
Guys, come.
Parang tinapay sa atin.
Look what first put this. Guys, come. We got this in Tofino.
Mhm.
I lost it in the sand. Then we bought a new one.
Okay.
And Ate Sam, she loves the poutine.
Oh yeah. So, tumingin kasi kami ng drawer ni Ate Lee out of stock. So, bumili na lang kami nitong cookie. Tinry namin. 8 something. Parang $9 siya. 8.99 yata. Ang sarap. Masarap sa kape. Masarap pang almusal. At merienda. Tapos, after dinner, magtutupi ako niyan ng mga nakahang. Put down ko. Yan na guys. Ang ating vlog today. At gagawa ako ng orange juice ni Zion. Kasi marami kaming fruits from New Year.
Juice! Mommy,
So, gagawin ko yung squeeze ko para makain ni Zion. Mainom ni Zion.
yeah. I want orange juice. I want orange
Oh,
juice.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, I want to try.
You try.
Okay, what are we doing?
It's
Like,
hard. Squeeze it. Turn around.
oh no. It looks like Slurpee.
Squeeze around lang ba?
What?
Twist it.
Want to get something?
Baka bumili yata ang piyesa ni Archie.
Whoa, another one. Ew. I'm trying.
It's fun?
Yeah.
I think Canadian tire yun. Tanungin mo.
Guys, look. It's like orange. Mean orange. I'm mean to the orange and he's mean to me.
Because you're not eating oranges, right?
Oh, that's why he's
You're
mean.
just drinking.
Okay.
Oh, Mommy will do it na para fast.
Wow! So nice.
So nice.
This is where we.
Yeah, I like.
Dad, are you still at Canadian Tire? Okay. Can you go to TNT if you have time? Pickled radish. Yun lang naman, isa lang. You know the yellow one, right? The Korean, yung pickled radish?
Hanggang anong oras ba? 8 lang yata yun?
Oh, what?
Ay, yung TNT?
9. If you have time, Dad, kung makahabol kayo, okay, bye.
Can you put it on?
9:30?
Tamis guys.
It's Loba.
Here.
Oh! Guys,
Oh, drink your orange juice nga. Try mo.
wait.
Sweet. Very good.
0405.
It's like silicone. So,
Ito na yung... Ayan, beef. Yep. Tira namin yan guys, anong New Year. Oh. Masarap.
kasi
Korean
na marinade.
sauce. Korean sauce yun guys, yung nilarinig dyan. Yummers. Ha? Mauna tayong kumain.
Guys,
Yun lang.
this is our old video.
Oh, yeah. Kunyari ka pa, kunyari ka lang eh.
Oh, wait, can I show
I know. Mauna tayo, matagal siguro sila. Papunta pa lang Canadian tayo. Yeah, let's go eat. Kain na kami guys. Mauna pa lang kakain.
Guys, look.
Dahil pa ng lipstick ko.
Guys. Mama, look.
Huwag makapiright si mama.
I need to fit into those dresses. We're gonna be less wrapped.
Let's eat food.
Since my classes,
You want this?
naka-phone na naman, no? Para ano talaga.
Enough na.
Wait. They don't love you because they like you.
Bastos ka. Uy. Turn off na.
Wait.
Sayon.
They don't love
Tama na.
Enough na.
you. What?
Good morning! Today pa lang guys ay January 7 at may pasok na mga bata after holidays. Back to school na sila ulit. At ako din ay wala pa akong pasok until tomorrow kasi nga masama ang pakiramdam ko. So I have time para magluto ng kanilang almusal. So yung beef steak na natira namin, ginawa kong parang fried beef. So para na siyang tapa at lalagyan ko isa ng rice para ma-achieve ko yung gusto ko na top silog. Ang palalabasan na kanilang baon kasi gagawa din ako ng sunny side up at ipapatong ko doon sa rice. So guys, para pag kinain nila sa school, easy na lang at alam ko favorite ni Sayon ang sunny side up. At alam ko din magugustuhan niya itong rice with beef. Pag wala talaga akong pasok guys, I make sure nagluluto talaga ako para sa mga bata. Kasi kapag may pasok ako, sa ate lang yung nag-aasikaso kay Zion, kawawa naman yung mga kinakain nila every morning ay mga ano lang siya, processed food, hotdog, bacon. So kapag may time talaga ako at wala akong pasok, I'll make sure na magluto talaga ako ng pagkain para sa kanila. Good morning! very good yan ang baby namin. Nag-wake up na early. Tanggalin natin to. Kasi dito si Mommy.
I was just like,
I know, very good man. Pag wake up agad yung baby ko, no? No?
even though I didn't sleep early.
I know. You sleep very late last night.
Yeah. I couldn't sleep.
I know why.
I don't know.
Aww. So, yung baon ni baby ay tapsilog. Ay, ginawa ko parang tapa yung yung beef steak, nag-fried rice, and sunny side up on top. So, yan yung baon ni baby for lunch.
You're gonna pick me up?
Ha?
You're gonna pick me up?
Yeah.
Could you vlog when you pick me up?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Pinky,
Remind mommy, okay?
Pinky promise?
Pinky promise. Why? You want vlogging?
Because when I'm starting to go out, vlog.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Very lovely, mommy. You want apple juice? Do you want me to make apple juice? No?
Oh,
Wala nang orange eh.
I want apple.
You want apple? Okay.
First, could I try chickadee chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Chickadee chicken.
Mm-mm.
Oh, give me chickadee chicken. Give me chickadee chicken. Oh, no, give me ducky.
Cookies?
Yeah.
Sabi ni daddy, it's not charging.
It is. Then why is it turning green?
Na, nag-green tapos
It's not working.
but yeah.
Did daddy is trying to fix it?
Not yet. Because he has no time last night.
No, I'm chickadee.
Later, he said he will try.
I want I love chickadee chicken.
Why?
I don't know, it just turned on. It's not stopping.
No. Maybe something,
It stopped. Wait, when I just opened the back, it started to work.
Oh. Or maybe,
The battery is kind of like low.
yeah.
Hello. Hello, guys. I already changed. Do you want, my bag is here, there. I know you can't see. It's over there. I like my suitcase. I like my suitcase. I like my suitcase.
You still have 5 minutes.
Yay, I like my suitcase. Guys, I have PS5.
Zion is ready for school.
I can't play PS5.
No longer. Too late na.
Oh, I want to.
It's too late. Ate is going. Bye, ate. My gosh. Ha? Anong oras na? Bye. Ingat. Alis din kami. Alis din kami, maya.
Okay, guys, we're all going. We are going, guys. Bye.
We're going there.
Okay, let's video while we're walking. I have to watch my step.
Watch your step.
It's like I got night vision.
Yeah. Let's go.
Night vision
Zion is
camera.
going to school.
Wait, where's my bag? Oh. I was so scared about my bag. Where's my glove?
Zion is going to school na.
Did you left my lunch kit?
Yeah.
Huh? You left my lunch kit?
No.
You said yeah.
Kahapon,
Why
hindi
do you
siya pumasok.
always-
Yesterday, science is absent.
Why are you always tricking me?
Ha?
Why are you always tricking me? I told you with my lunch kit. You said I left.
Wait.
I said that you
Wait.
left my lunch kit. Then like
Always tricking you?
yeah, because you said I said to you, did you have my lunch kit? You said yeah.
No, I didn't hear you properly. Hindi ka anong malamig ngayon, guys. So, maganda ang weather. Nagmas lang
can't
ako
you-
kasi.
Why can't you hear properly?
Ha?
Why can't you hear properly?
Because she would talk too fast.
Oh, that's why.
Nagmas ako para hindi malamig sa mukha.
Mommy,
Yes.
what? Oh,
Wait lang.
Mom?
The town.
Yeah.
You go.
What country?
You're gonna cross. Ay, wait. There's car. Let's go. He's fast. Go. Go ahead. I think Aryan will not go to school.
Because it's cold.
Hmm?
Because it's cold, maybe.
Or
Or maybe
really cold. Are you cold?
no. Or maybe because he's. Or maybe because. Or maybe he's already. Whoa!
See? So, naglalakad na kami guys. Papuntang school ni Zion.
Why are we going to school? I don't know school.
Wala pa rin akong work until tomorrow. Magpapahinga ako until tomorrow.
Where's my
siguro.
snow pants?
Ha?
My snow pants.
Oh yeah. You wanna wear it?
Yeah, it's cold.
Are you cold?
That's
You wanna go
okay.
back?
That's fine.
Yeah, it's not really cold today.
Yeah.
I forgot, sorry. But are you cold? Are you okay?
No, I could do this with this. No, I could do this.
But your pants is thick. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I was like, what? Where's my
Or-
snow pants?
Or I can bring your snow pants.
Huh?
I can bring your snow pants.
Okay. You could bring my snow pants later.
But they're not wearing snow pants too.
No, my classmates are.
But it's not cold today. It's warm today. Why cross the street? The guy. Yeah, they're not wearing snow pants. But it's warm today until tomorrow.
Why are they crossing the street?
I think so. They're friends.
Oh. Why are friends? Oh my god.
I heard the bell ring. Not yet.
Remember the pigeons?
Let's go.
They're supposed to be pigeons, but the pigeons are hibernating.
Yeah, wala siyang snow pants pero makapal naman yung pants ni Zion.
Mom, the pigeons are hibernating.
Oh, yeah?
That's the.
So there are patrollers. We're gonna cross the road. See, she's not wearing snow pants too. It's not cold. And your pants is thick.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? That's winter pants. It's double inside.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's go. Thank you.
Why is it so icy?
Icy. Let's go. Run. The bell ring? Magandang weather guys. Hindi malamig. Pero ako mahabang jacket. Naka-sweater pa. Dito na kami sa school ni Zion. Nandun na siya, nagtatatakbo. Excited. Miss niya na daw yung kanyang mga friends. Pagdating ng bahay guys, maglilinis ako. And then matutulog ulit, makapagpahinga. Yeah. Dito na kami. I-off ko na to guys kasi bawal na sa mga bata makita yung mga mukha nila. Doon na si Zion. Nandun na. Pupunta na sa kanyang line up. Bahay na ako. Guys, maglinis muna ako. Magliligpit. At pagkatanggal nga guys ng jacket ko, nagsimula na ako maglinis kasi ang kalat talaga ng bahay. Alam mo naman, nagluto, nag-asikaso kay Zion, at si Ate Lay kumain din, nag-asikaso din kanyang mga baon. So medyo makalat ang bahay guys. At time check, siguro mga 9 o'clock na kasi nga late na ako nakauwi kasi yung kaklase ni Zion, yung nanay niya nakipag-usap pa sa akin. Ang tagal namin nag-usap kasi nga parang minsan ako naghahatid kay Zion. So ang nakikita nilang naghahatid ay si Ate Lay. At pinapakita ko pala guys, ang dami naming potato kasi nga ang daming nakuha si Arvel sa garbage bin na tinapon at hindi pa siya sira talaga guys, mga ano pa siya, mga fresh. Tapos ang ganda pa ng quality niya kasi ano siya, yellow potato. So ipamimigay ko siya kasi ang dami, hindi rin namin mauubos yan. At fresh pa talaga siya, walang damage. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nila tinapon ang mga patatas. Diba sabi kapag ka may green, pangit na yun. Wala naman siyang ganong color. So, I don't know bakit nila tinapon yun. Nakakuha din siya ng radish, nakakuha din siya ng zucchini, iba't ibang gulay. Every Tuesday guys, every Tuesday, nagtatapon sila dun ng mga ng mga gulay dun sa garbage bin. Tsaka malinis siya kasi yung isang bin, puro gulay yun. So, walang halong ibang mga pagkain dun or ibang mga basura. So, malinis naman siya. Kasi si Arvel, dati nagdadrive siya ng truck going to US. Ngayon, hindi na siya, tumigil na siya doon at nag-apply siya sa waste management. So, naka-assign siya sa organic na garbage. So, doon siya nakakakuha ng mga gulay. Kaya guys, ang dami niyang gulay parati kapag Tuesday. So yun guys, malaking tulong na rin, nakakalibre kami ng gulay, lalo ngayon, inflation, grabe ang mahal ng bilihin dito sa Canada. Tapos yung sahod namin, hindi rin tumataas, ganun pa din. So malaking tulong na din sa amin, yung nakakakuha si Arvel ng gulay. So yun lang guys, matatapos na ako ng paglilinis. After that, matutulog na din ako. Makapagpahinga kasi masama talaga ang pakiramdam ko. Pero kahit masama ang pakiramdam ko guys, kailangan maglinis talaga muna ako bago humiga kasi hindi rin ako makakatulog. Dami ko iniisip na gagawin. So, I'll make sure na malinis talaga guys ang bahay bago ako humiga. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching always. Bye!